Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So I'm very excited to make this particular video on ticker symbol PLRX, and if you're following the market, you know this thing had a nice run. You can see from the chart pre-market it was right around 8.75, and even after hour it is sitting at $23-24, which is almost 174% move in one day. Yes, we did not get that much, but you can see the blue lines here, which is around 13-14 area. That area we talked about it pre-market in the morning over our community, and from there still pre-market it moved a lot. Like, I'm very happy to see that, like, even like from that point it is up almost 69-70%. So very exciting day, and hopefully you caught it and you make some money. And just looking at the chart, still this thing looking very juicy to me. So first of all, if you look at the volume today, the average volume was only 4.4 million, and today's volume was 82 million. Okay, almost like 15-20 times more volume came today. Very exciting. Look at the price action from here, a big jump. Okay, so very exciting day. I'm so happy, especially like when I talked about this on our pre-market plan over the Discord. We were talking about 13.65. If there is a dip, it will be 11.7, and there are some note, right, for playing this thing. And I'm so happy this thing moved a lot from 13-14 area. It went almost $24. Also, we were targeting a big one, which is ticker symbol BABA. You can see that how far this came down from 120. After the market opened, we were looking for this area and it dropped a lot, so we played a put option and made some money. Anyway, if you want this kind of like early morning alert and a live call at 9 a.m., please join my Discord only for $9 per month, and you will get access to my Discord. We can all make some money. Okay, so PLRX. So first of all, just want to show you something else. So in terms of the short interest, Fintel is showing me almost 10% short interest, and dark pool, this is 51%, which is really high. The important thing is, if you look at the number of short share availability, there is no shares available to short. So that's a big thing, right? There is nothing to be, no shares available to short. Cost to borrow fee rate is not very high. It was mostly running because of the volume. And when we look at the option chain activity, I'm gonna come back. Let's talk about the volume still. So no volume, suddenly all the volume came today. You can see that, whoo, big white, not a white, yellow bar, almost 82 million. So in terms of the option chain activity, it is looking really nice, because if you look at all the volume here, these options were traded today, and see the strike price and the volume here, very bullish. At the same time, the implied volatility is very high, so you can play either way, get in, get out, make some money. But if it comes down, you might be burned. So I'm going to talk about the price action for sure, but before that, let's look at a few other things. So after hours, so what they did a public offering. Okay, you need to know that if you're playing this particular one. So they did a comments under the public offering of 150 million of its common stock. In addition, expect to grant the underwriters of a 30-day option to bid for additional 22.5. But the thing is, we do not know what is the price, right? The proposed offering is subject to market and other conditions, and there can be no assurance as to whether or when the proposed offering may be completed, or the actual size of terms of proposed offering. So we do not know how many shares at what price. We just know the amount, right? So once the news came, you can look at the chart, like there was a slight dip, and after that it's moving again. Okay, and if you do not know why it was running, you can just go and find it. So basically it just doubled, hit a 10-month high. Here is why. So basically they tested its treatment over 12 weeks in patients with idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. So in this condition, the lungs became scared, making it difficult to breathe. The drug led to improvement in symptoms. That's the big thing, measured by the ability to breathe forcefully and lung imaging. Okay, so in response, blah blah. Okay, so that was the big news, and the other big news is they did some offering at 4 o'clock. So let's look at the chart now. So first of all, in the morning, like when we started trading, we were eyeing for few areas. Like you see, went up, came down, went up, came down, and you look at the green cloud here. That's the EMA cloud, right? So whole day it was not the whole day, like pre-market and after the market open, it was holding the cloud, right? Then after that, from 22 it came down, but it was still holding the 18.4 area. Couple of times it went and hit 20 area. You see some rejection, 3-4 times rejection, it came down, but finally it was hitting 20 for so long, and around like 3 p.m. the power hour, you see it came through, right, over $20. Then it made a new high almost, and you can see a big volume came, so went up after the offering news, came down but not that much, again trying to push, currently sitting at $24. We will see. So one important area could be to see, can it hold 21 to $22 area, right? If it can hold, that's good. If it can hold, it might come down to 20. So let's have a look on a bigger picture now. I want to go back to hourly chart here just to show you the overall picture, right? So see what is happening, right? So that stock at one point was $44, not way like just 1 year before, right? $44. Then it was slowly coming down, 44 all the way to $4. So 11 times less. So that is something you need to know. So in terms of if it goes higher, you can just ask how much, right? So you can see that 24 is one area here, previous rejection. After 24, definitely I'm looking at something 28.4. After 28.4, I'm looking at 32, and definitely it can go more if there is a steam. But anyway, you need to know that this coming Wednesday the CPI data will be released, and today market came down a lot, then again it went up. So tomorrow could be flat or slight red, or maybe end of the day it could be red. But anyway, even on a red market, PLRX was doing really great today, right? You can see what's happening. So very excited. Just want you to show you the price action so that you can keep on your watch list if you are planning for day trading. I'm not saying this is for long-term hold for now. Just get in, make some money, get out. If you want to go for a long-term or swing trade, this is not the time you should go in, okay? But anyway, very exciting. Just want to see how much it can push. And also, if you want, if you like this video, then hit the like button, subscribe my channel. If you want entry exit with different ticker symbol, join my community. Just $9 per month, get access to my Discord. You can chat with other traders. I update the chart always. Other people, they bring place. It's the community. We grow together, we make money together. And for any kind of question, I'm also available. So anyway, thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.